These are shapes usually seen in a mathematics textbook. These ones were designed on a computer and produced using 3D printing. In today's episode, we are going to take basic geometry and turn it into real objects using 3D printing. In our first episode, we've shown how digital designs can be turned into real objects. Today, we are going to take that idea one step further and apply it directly to mathematics. These shapes are known as polygons. Polygons have flat shape, straight sides, and angles. This is a triangle, 3 sides. This is a square, 4 equal sides. This is a pentagon, 5 sides, and then this is a hexagon with 6 sides. Polygons are a fundamental part of mathematics. They are everywhere, in buildings, in engineering structures, in product designs, and so on. Today, let's see how a simple shape like this starts its journey from an idea to a digital design and finally to a real object.
We're going to be using Tinkercad to make our polygon shapes, and Tinkercad is a free web-based design tool. So to go to Tinkercad, all you need to go is to head over to tinkercad.com, or just go over to Google or any internet web browser and type Tinkercad like so, and type over. Once there, you can just go over to the site. And if you're not already signed up with Tinkercad, to do so, all you've got to do is to type over first run Tinkercad. Just scroll down and click the button Start Tinkercad. You can sign up as an educator or as a student. You can just create a personal account. In either case, it's just a few simple steps. And so, to start off with Tinkercad, we'll just go over to Create. And as you can see, Tinkercad has resources, for learning about circuits and code block. That's for the better. In our case, our purpose is an 3D design, so we'll just click 3D design. And once we are in, we'll see the tools. So as you can see, this area around here is the work field. This is where we do that. Here on the right, you have all the shapes, all the objects that you can work with. The cubes, cylinders, spheres. Basically, even the interface is very simple, very straightforward. Whatever you want to work with, you just pick it and drag it, and drop it at the workflow. That's it. You have a number of options. You have text. We can use text as well. You can change some of the shapes to include all the letters and numbers. That you have features and characters. So in the next episode, we'll take a closer look on Tinkercad. But for now, let's get to work. So now we're making polygon shapes. We'll be starting with polygon objects. There's a polygon object over here. I'm just drag it and drop it there. So you have, for example, if you are going to be starting with a pentagon, you can just come over here and change the side. Pentagon has 5 sides, right? You can just click and then hook 5 and then enter. You can see the sides and 5. And as you know, polygon has 5 sides, 5 on side, right? That's for regular polygon. So that's it. Maybe you want to change to change shapes or dimensions of objects. All you have to do is click the handles. You have 2 handles, right? Once you select an object, you can see that the options for the handles pop up. You have 2. That's the white and then the black. The white gives the option to manipulate, 4 axes. Maybe the X and Y can change all sides. While gripping one of the handles. For the black button, you can just change one side. You go one side, right? Then go on the file, and that's it. To change the height, you can just hit this, right? Drag it up or down. Or you can just enter, maybe you want the height that's on the v-axis to be 50. You can just type in there and just hit number 50, right? Just enter, you can see the size is now put 10. Or also maybe you want the axis on the x to be maybe 5. Just enter 5. Okay. Just enter 5 here. And that's it. So that's it for polygon type. Maybe you want comes in as an hexagon. Maybe you want it to be square with both sides. We can just flip them before, right? It's both sides. We can build it. Build it back. So basically, that's it. That's not on the shape. So today we'll be working on polygon shapes, right? For this video, we'll do the square because it's simple, and also because it introduces us to concept of measurementing and accuracy, which are very important in 3D printing. Today we'll be entering the square to be about 50 millimeters. That's like 5 centimeters, right? So we can just enter 50, 2 millimeters. That's our x axis, and then you can y axis and side pivots as well. And of course, when the square has 4 equal sides, and the height, when the height should be like 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. I think 1 centimeter will be kind of spread. So like for 1 centimeter, that's 10 millimeters. By the way, to change the units, you can go over to settings, change it right here, maybe to here, the current units in inches. But rather than metric, so rather than like millimeters or meters, there's the millimeters. Right. So once you're done with the design, you'll start thinking about preparing your design for printing. For this, I think we can just leave it. So we'll start preparing your design for printing, and export it. We'll export it as an STL. We'll come over here, and we'll be mindful that this here where you select it, see that all the shape when we printed is exported. So I will select file and then export it as STL, but it's generating. Once it finishes, see it there, and check folder like this, right? And then we'll be using preset slicer to slice our file to G-code, which the printers reads. By the way, there are different slicing in this. We'll get over to that and later see. But for now, we'll be using the preset slicer. So we'll come reports, our file, license chapter. So over here, this license software also has a lot of settings that you could change and manipulate depending on what you want. But for now, we just head over and start printing. We will learn all about those settings in later episodes to slice your object, all you don't do is how you selected on the slice is the slice button. So the slice button slice. You can see, so it's when you slicing, all you need to do is export the file. You can see it's going to export. Save it somewhere, maybe extra. Save it there, and that's it. You can, once saved, you can maybe once saved, you can send it to the printer to start printing. You can let's head over to the printer. So, and this is the results. Students can now touch it. Remember, whenever that goes beyond any text. So, in the next episode, we'll take a deep look at Tinkercad and CAD Program Center. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.